Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website analysissoftwarecenter.com. Analysissoftwarecenter.com is a malicious site that may attack your browser, and this website is malicious because it tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. You should not interact with all these pop-ups. They are totally faulty and deceptive. Don't click on any buttons that are integrated into these pop-ups. Once again, it's a mistake to interact with these deceptive and absolutely fake alerts. So don't trust them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest to you. I would recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. So go to this official website, combocleaner.com, download the program, and then begin researching your system to identify and delete all other traces of adware that could possibly remain on your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.